Hello, in this video I'm going to present you how CoWork remembers across conversations in Claude AI. Okay, the thing is that the CoWork remembers sometimes what we told him last time. It depends on whether you run a project or not. Let me show you how it works. That's the key thing to understand. If you just open the CoWork and run a task, that session does not carry over to your next task. Every new standalone task starts fresh, no memory of what you asked before. So you need to have that in mind. But in the Claude app, in the Claude AI, we have the projects. Go to home, and in here you can see the projects. Simply click on that, and now what to do. Projects has their own memory, and any task you run inside those projects can be recalled by future tasks in the same project. So let's set a new project. Click on new project, and now we gotta name it. Also got a demo folder that it's ready to go. So we'll use an already existing folder instead of starting from the beginning. I'll click on use a folder, choose a different folder, and in here I need to find it where it's exactly. Okay. Now we have it. And this folder already has a couple of files in it, a clean brief and some styles notes, which Claude can use as a contacts. Now let's name the project. My guess is Acme rebrand. We don't need to get him instructions right now. We can click on create project. Okay, here it is. Now, in the text box, we can give Claude something worth remembering. I'll paste a prompt that sets some context about the client. That's the thing. Okay, I need to get the prompt. Here it is. Boom. Okay, of course, remember that you need to select the CoWork and click the arrow or press enter. It is up to you. So basically now I'm telling the Claude the client's name, their tone preference, and asking it to hold on to that for future tasks in this project. Claude will work through it, and once it's done, the contacts isn't just sitting in this one conversation. It becomes a part of the project's memory. So that's how it works. Okay, we have our reply node. Okay. And now let's go with the real test. I'm going to start a brand new task in the same project, a separate conversation, and see if Claude still remembers what I told it. Now we gotta click on I'm gonna go to the projects. Okay, that's our old conversation. And now this is a fresh chat, completely fresh chat. And now we gotta enter the second prompt, and that will be the test recall. Let's paste a separate task in the same Acme rebrand project. You just gotta remember about it. You gotta insert those things in the same project. You cannot go to new to open up a new chat. You gotta do everything in one project, but in the new chat window. So now paste your second thing, click on enter, and let's see what will happen. Okay, actually I forgot to to inject the name. In the project, so let me manually do it right now. Oh no, actually it worked. My bad. I thought about something else. Everything is okay. My bad. Okay, and I have never re-explained to Claude what tone they want or what's all about with the client. Claude pulls that straight from the project's memory, just like I said, and drafts the update accordingly. And that's the whole trick. The memory lives in the project that we are currently in, not with any single conversation. And also, there's one more thing worth knowing. There's also a separate global instructions setting that applies to every CoWork session, a project or not. That's more like a standing preference, not memory, just a permanent instruction. To do it, go to settings, then click on CoWork to show the global instruction field. Instructions here apply to all CoWork sessions. Use this for preferences, conventions, or context that Claude should always know. You can click on Edit and you can add those instructions manually right in here. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.